Class 4. Today we will learn unit number 13, the earth. Main topics of this lesson: what is earth, movement of the earth, day and night, seasons, constellation, the big bear, land and water on earth, population and land, the moon and phases of the moon. The earth. The sun and its 8 planets make up the solar system. सूरज और उसके 8 सियारे मिलकर सोलर सिस्टम बनाते हैं. The earth is one of the 8 planets that travel around the sun. ज़मीन उन 8 प्लैनेट्स में से एक सियारा है जो सूरज के गिर्द सफ़र करता है. It is the 5th largest planet of the solar system. ये पांचवा बड़ा सोलर सिस्टम का पांचवा बड़ा सियारा है. द शेप ऑफ द अर्थ इज़ नॉट एब्सोल्युटली राउंड. इसकी जो शेप है वो बिल्कुल गोल नहीं है. इट इज़ अ जियोइड, दैट मीन्स इट इज़ राउंड बट स्लाइटली फ्लैटेंड at the top and bottom. It is surrounded by a blanket of air called the atmosphere, which is made up of many gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor and dust particles. Now you can see the solar system on your screen. Movement of the earth. The earth is always spinning. It turns on its axis, which is an imaginary line passing through the north and south poles. It takes 24 hours to spin once on its axis. This movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. Day and night. As the earth spins on its axis, the part of the earth which faces the sun has daytime. The part of the earth which is on the other side has night. Seasons. The axis of the earth is not straight. It is slightly tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree to its orbit. The earth takes 365 days to go once round the sun. This movement of the earth around the sun is called a revolution. यानी कि ज़मीन जो है वो 365 डेज़ 365 दिन जो हैं सूरज के गिर्द अपना चक्कर लगाने में मुकम्मल करती है. The part of the earth which is tilted towards the sun receives more light, so it is warmer. It is summer in that part of the world. The part which is tilted away from the sun receives less light, so it is colder. It is winter in that part of the world. When both hemispheres of the earth get almost equal amounts of light from the sun, it is either spring or autumn. The 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn and winter. The constellations. On a clear night, you see thousands of stars in the sky. If you look carefully, you will see that group of stars seem to make shapes. These shapes are called constellations. Constellations have fixed positions in the sky. The Big Bear. High in the sky, in the northern part of the world, it is possible to see a constellation called the Big Dipper. It is made up of 7 stars arranged as shown in the diagram. Land and water on Earth. If you look at a globe, you will see blue parts, which are the oceans, seas, rivers, and lakes. The brown and green parts are the plains, mountains, and deserts. We see that almost one-third of the globe consists of land and two-thirds consist of water. The moon and its phases. The moon is the Earth's natural satellite, 384,000 kilometers from the Earth. It has no air and no signs of life. The moon rotates very slowly. It rotates once in the same time as it takes to complete one orbit around the Earth. यानी चाँद जो है वो एक ज़मीन का नेचुरल सैटेलाइट है और इसमें ना हवा है और ना ही लाइफ. The moon revolves around the Earth once every lunar month, when the side of the moon lit by the sun faces the Earth. We see a full moon. When the moon is on the side of the Earth nearest to the sun, we see a thin slice of the moon. This is called a new moon. Sometimes we see no moon at all. The section of the reflecting surfaces of the moon that we see from the Earth are called the phases of the moon. Now you can see the different phases of the moon. Thank you, students.